Yo, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel where we break down life's most confusing stuff in a fun, chill way. Today, we're diving into something we all think we know how to do. But let's be real. Most of us are terrible at it. Setting goals that actually work. Not the, I'll start on Monday kind of goals. Nah, we're talking goals that'll get you moving and grooving in the right direction. Alright, so let's be honest for a sec. How many times have you set a goal, been super hyped about it for like 2 days, and then boom, you completely forget about it by the end of the week? Yeah, guilty. Why does this happen? Well, it's simple. Most of us are setting goals that suck. Yeah, I said it. They're either too vague, too big, or just not it. It's like trying to climb a mountain with flip-flops. Not gonna happen. Now, you might have heard of this thing called SMART goals. And no, I'm not talking about that one friend who's like annoyingly good at everything. SMART is an acronym for goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Yeah, it sounds fancy, but stick with me. It's low-key genius. S is for specific. We gotta be specific with what we want. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, say, I want to hit the gym 3 times a week. Boom. Clear as day. M is for measurable. If you can't track your progress, how do you know if you're crushing it? It's like trying to beat a game without a scoreboard. Boring and confusing. A is for achievable. No need to be a hero here, guys. You gotta be real with yourself. Don't set goals like, I'm gonna be a millionaire by next week. Unless you're hitting the lottery, keep it grounded, but challenging. R is for relevant. Make sure your goals actually matter to you. Not just because your mom, your best friend, or your dog thinks it's cool. T is for time-bound. You need a deadline, fam. Without one, your goal's just a dream. And let's be real, dreams without deadlines usually end up on your maybe one-day list. Okay, so you've got your SMART goal all lined up. You're feeling good, but what happens when your motivation decides to ghost you? Yeah, it happens to the best of us. 1 minute you're pumped, and the next minute Netflix and snacks seem like a way better option. Here's the deal. Motivation isn't something you just find. It's something you create. The trick? Start with the smallest possible step. Like, if your goal is to run a 5K, don't try and sprint 3 miles on day 1. Start with putting on your running shoes. Seriously. It sounds ridiculous. But trust me, once you've got those shoes on, you're way more likely to actually go for that run. Next up, accountability. This one's a game changer. Ever notice how when you tell someone about your plans, you're suddenly 10x more likely to actually do them? It's not magic, it's psychology. When we know someone's watching, we step up our game. Find an accountability buddy. Your bestie, your roommate, your dog. Okay, maybe not the dog, but you get the idea. They don't have to be on the same goal as you, but just knowing that someone's gonna check in on you can be the push you need to keep going. Alright, fam, let me hit you with some wisdom here. Progress is always better than perfection. We're out here chasing growth, not trophies. You might slip up along the way, maybe you miss a gym day, or that snack break turns into a snack weekend. It's cool. No one's perfect. What matters is that you get back up. Keep moving forward, one step at a time. It's all about those baby steps, not giant leaps. So don't stress if you don't hit 100% every time. You're still ahead of where you were yesterday. Here's the part that no one talks about enough. Rewards. We humans, we're wired for instant gratification, so use that to your advantage. Set mini rewards for yourself. Maybe after hitting the gym for 2 weeks, you treat yourself to a new pair of sneakers. Or, if you've been crushing your study goals, take yourself out for a movie night. Rewards keep you motivated. They give your brain that little zing of satisfaction. So don't forget to celebrate the small wins along the way. Okay, so let's say you've set your goals. You're halfway there, but life hits you with a curveball. Maybe your schedule changes, or you're just not feeling the same vibes anymore. Guess what? It's okay to hit the reset button. Sometimes we outgrow our goals. Sometimes they need tweaking. Don't be afraid to reassess and realign with what really matters to you now. The journey is just as important as the destination, so take it one step at a time. And that's a wrap, fam. Setting goals that actually work isn't rocket science. It's about being real with yourself, breaking it down step by step, and giving yourself grace along the way. Now here's the deal. Don't just sit here and nod. Take what we talked about today and apply it to your life. Seriously, I promise you, future you will be so grateful. Before you go, if you're vibing with this and want more tips on leveling up your life, make sure to check out my video on how to stop procrastinating and get stuff done. You do not want to miss that one. Hit that subscribe button, give this vid a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and drop a comment down below about the goals you're setting. Let's hype each other up and crush this together. Peace out, and see you in the next video.